Imagine a lifestyle that not only helps you lose weight, but also boosts your metabolic health and extends your lifespan. Sounds intriguing, right? Today we're exploring the fascinating world of intermittent fasting, a dietary pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. First up, start slowly. If you're new to the fasting game, ease into it. Begin with an overnight fast of 12 hours, then as your body adapts, gradually extend your fasting window over time. Hydration is essential during your fasting periods. Water, herbal tea, and black coffee without sugar or cream are your best friends here. They help keep you hydrated without breaking your fast. Next, pick a fasting method that suits your lifestyle. The 16-8 method, the 5-2 method, or alternate day fasting are all popular choices. Each has its own merits and challenges, so choose the one that feels most sustainable for you. Always remember to listen to your body. If you're feeling dizzy, excessively hungry, or just not right, it's time to reassess. Adjust your fasting schedule or the length of your fasting window as needed. When it's time to eat, focus on nutrient-dense meals. Fill your plate with vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods will provide you with the energy and nutrients you need to thrive. Avoid the trap of overeating. It's easy to think you need to compensate for the fasting period by eating more, but this can lead to weight gain and discomfort. Practice mindful eating and stop when you're satisfied, not stuffed. Consistency is vital. The more regularly you stick to your fasting schedule, the easier it will become, and the more benefits you'll see. Remember, this isn't a quick fix. It's a lifestyle change. To maximize the benefits of intermittent fasting, combine it with regular exercise. A mix of cardio and strength training can contribute to weight loss, increased energy levels, and overall improved health. Don't forget to monitor your progress. Keep track of your energy levels, weight changes, and overall well-being. This will help you see the positive impact intermittent fasting is having on your body and health. Finally, always consult a healthcare professional if you have any health concerns before starting intermittent fasting. It's important to ensure this lifestyle change is safe and beneficial for you. To sum up, intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool for improving health when done correctly. Start slowly, stay hydrated, choose a method that suits you, listen to your body, focus on nutrient-dense foods, avoid overeating, be consistent, combine fasting with exercise, monitor your progress, and consult a professional as needed. Remember, the journey to a healthier you starts with a single step. So why not take that step today? And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. Here's to your health.